Ready to geek out? Let's take a ride through CERN's mind-blowing $3 billion particle accelerator. Deep beneath the ground in Switzerland lies a 17-mile ring where subatomic particles are hurled at near light speeds. This isn't sci-fi, it's CERN's Large Hadron Collider. So what's the big deal? Well, scientists use this behemoth to smash particles together, hoping to unlock the secrets of the universe, like the origins of mass and the mysteries of dark matter. Imagine particles zooming around a track, crashing with the energy of a speeding bullet. These collisions create conditions similar to the Big Bang, giving us glimpses into the birth of our universe. But it's not just about smashing stuff. The data collected is monumental, helping scientists make groundbreaking discoveries like the famous Higgs boson, aka the God particle. So next time you hear about CERN, remember it's not just a lab, it's a portal to the cosmos. Mind-blowing, right? Thanks for watching. If you're hyped about science, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic content.